Hello everyone, this is LizardBoy1 and welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get worms from your backyard quick and easy. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do, I just tried this method and it worked awesome. We got like tons of worms for the compost bin I'm doing. So the first thing you want to do, you want to get soap. Any soap works and throw it in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there's soap there. You want to get your hose. I got my hose here. Just knock that around. Okay, you want to put water in there. Want to throw water in there? With pressure until you fill it. Okay, that's good. So once you fill it, you want to get to your location. So we just got to our location here, and I'm just going to show you guys how to identify if you have worms in your backyard. So when you get to a dirt area, you want to look for this sign. You want to look for like crumbles in the ground. So as you can see, we're seeing some crumbles because this is normal dirt, but when we look at this worm poop there, we can see that it's way different from the normal dirt. So you want to look for that. So what you want to do is when you see that, you want to get your bottle with soap and you just want to pour it to the ground directly. Pour sufficient and you're gonna see them pop all around. Okay, now we just wait and see. So we just waited like 10 seconds here, and as you can see, they're just coming out here. There's one there, and we're gonna start getting them because they come out fast. So put the cup here. They come out fast. You gotta be fast because these are some fast animals. If you don't get them fast, look, they hide on you. They're hiding. You gotta get them fast. There's one. Put him in the cup. Okay, we gotta get him fast. He just buried himself in there. Look, oh, look at that guy. He just shot out there. There's another guy here. Look, he's burying them there. Oh, there's another guy here. Okay, look at the cup here. Put him in there. I just saw one go here. I'm gonna bury him. He's going in there in the ground. Oh, look at these guys. Just popping off here. They're just popping off. Oh, look, they want to get out the cup. There you go. You gotta be very vigilant because they can come out at any moment. Here we go. We got one in there. Got him. He's right there. So what we're gonna do is, because they're being very scary right now, I'm gonna show you how much we got so far. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go refill our cup and throw it back. So we just got our bottle here. We're gonna throw it again all over here. Want to put a lot because for it can penetrate deep in the ground. Now we sit and wait for action. Okay, we got one there. We got more coming out here. They're just shooting out. And they're just everywhere. You gotta be, look, he's just coming out of the ground there. We're just gonna get him there. They're just coming out. We got little babies there. Moving the dirt. Look at this guy. Right here. Very tricky. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go move on to another spot. Look, he's just coming out. They're just coming out. Look at that guy trying to escape. Come here. Come here. No. Look at that. He's going ballistic. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on here a few more seconds. And we're gonna move on to another spot. So we just moved to our other area here. We got more piles here. But that area was loaded. Let me show you how much worms we got. I'm gonna dump them here for you guys. Look at that. Look how many worms we got. And that's only in one shot. Put them back quick because they like to escape. My brother's over there filling the water. So yeah, this basically how you really get worms in your backyard. So stay tuned to watch more. So we just filled it up and we got more piles here. We're gonna dump it. Make sure you inject a lot because you want it to penetrate the dirt. You want it to really go in there. Okay, now we just wait for the action. Let that sink in there. Let me remove this just in case we got some back there. No, but so I just throw the cup there and we got some coming out. So get the cup ready. Got the cup there. Get some here. All these worms just started coming out. And I'm telling you, they just come out of the ground. Try this at home. Let me know in the comments and if it worked. And as always, please like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you guys how many worms I got for you guys. We got quite many. I'll say like maybe 20 in there. Well, yeah, try this at home. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.